In this super quick video, I will show you how to fill Form 1099 SA by IRS in seconds using AI. So let's start. Step number one, let's Google the form. So we type the form name, we click the first official IRS link with a marked PDF. It means it points directly to the PDF file. Okay, we save it to the disk. Yeah, all it's done, file is saved. Step number two, we go to InstaFill.ai. This is the AI platform I will be using to fill this form out. Upload the form. This is the file that I downloaded. Let's see. Yeah, that's correct. Now let's fill it out. But before I show you the data, so this is ChatGPT. I asked to generate me some synthetic data that I could use to fill this form. I copy and paste the data. So that's all. As you can see, there is no direct mapping between fields. You can easily reformat this data and AI will understand all of that and fill this form out in seconds. Okay, let's start. It depends how much data you submit. You can attach files here too, and how many fields are here. So in this case, the form is simple, it's just one page, and the total number of fields is maybe 25 or something, not many, and I didn't submit a bunch of information, just this. So yeah, it should be ready in less than a minute. Okay, it's all done. It took 36 seconds to fill this form, and let's check. So yeah, the phone number goes here as instructed. 150 is from here. Distribution code 1, HSA checked. This is 0. The address we can easily copy and find it over here. Yes, it's correct. So let's do the same for this address. Yes, that's correct too. So it's all done. This form can be filled in a bulk, so you can upload an Excel file with this information with multiple rows, and then as output you have a bunch of PDFs filled. So check it out. It doesn't make sense to do this kind of job manually. AI can easily handle this work for you. So let's test and let me know how it goes.